But the Shraddhavan Janhan Bhakti Adhikari. Who is qualified to practice devotional service to Lord? Who has Shraddha? Shraddha is very important. Understand?
Prabhuji, we're talking into this to untour. Sorry.
What's the definition of Shraddha?
Shraddha Purnanana Payavarjanam Bhaktin
Dastu Annavaya Vajanam Bhakti Mukhi Chittavritti.
Radhe boy. Radhe.
Radha to Ananya Payavarjanam means Ananya means those things Karma Yoga, Dhyan and Tapasya which are opposite to Bhakti. We don't have faith on that, we have exclusive faith in Bhakti. Bhakti Mukha Chitta Vritti is
Bhakti Unmukhi Chitta Vritti. Your tendencies should be devotional service to Lord. And these types of faith will come and give up all kinds of endeavors of karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya. This is very important. This life, if I will perform only practice devotional service to life, is devotional service to Lord, then my life will be successful. These types of faith. So in this Saddhastu Ananno Payo Varjanam, giving up all kinds of practice of karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya. Tapasya understand? Austerity, this. Give up this. They only practice one service to Lord. This can move, no? This is not now offering there. This thing.
There is a plate inside.
Yeah. Ananya Bhakti. So, Ananya Chintantamang. Ananya Chintantamang Jajana Purjipasate Tesang Nittavi Yuktanang Yogak Chema Bahama. Ananya means what do you mean Ananya?
Exclusive.
No, Anna iti Anna. Not worship any other demigod and demigoddess. Only worship to Krishna. This is Ananya. Ananya Chintantamang Jajana Purjupasate Tesang Nittavi Yuktanam Yogak Chema Bahama. Who is saying? Krishna says this word. One-pointed. Then everything will be possible. Okay.
How to be one-pointed when chanting? Like sometimes I'm chanting and my mind is going here and there. Like sometimes with the phone and...
Oh, your phone. Yeah, phone is very nice.
Yeah. Phone meditation.
Phone meditation.
One finger extra can do.
Huh?
How to make the mind steady when chanting?
Throw your phone in the water. Very difficult. Yeah. Everything is coming slowly, slowly. Just take time. Everything depends on the time. Time is very powerful. Samay bada balavan. What is it? So, no, time is very powerful. But you have to practice yourself. And chanting holy names, they do this. Because mind always is what? Restless. Mind always going to object of the senses. This is the nature. But one who controls his mind, then everything is possible. So now coming in the conclusion is how to control the mind. How will control your mind? Abhyasan vairagya cha grijyate. Abhyas means practice. And vairagya means renunciation. And abhyasan vairagya cha grijyate. The two things are important. Abhyas means practice. Because all our senses automatically going to the object of the senses. This is the nature. Eyes are going in where? Are they beautiful? Form. Roop. So you have to control your eyes. And tell to eyes don't go to the rupa. Okay, you want, but eyes wants. Take darshan, beautiful form. So take darshan to whom? Krishna. Krishna darshan karo. What do you say? Krishna darshan. Eyes, you take darshan to Krishna. Govinda darshan. How is beautiful form of Krishna? देखिले नयन हेरे केह नहीं घरे फिरे संसारी गृहीर जेगो हाय सर्वना. Do you know this song or no? बंधु संगे यदि तब रंग परिहास থাকে অভিলাষ তবে মোর কথা রেখো যেও না কো মথুরা কেসি তীর্থ ঘাটের সকাশ তথায় আছেন হরি গোবিন্দ রূপ ধরি মুখে মৃদু মন্দ হাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস তবে মোর কথা রেখো যেও না কো মথুরা কেসি তীর্থ ঘাটের সকাশ. If you want to enjoy the sense gratification with your family, so listen my advice. What is my advice? Don't go Mathura. If you go Mathura, don't go Kesi Ghat, Vrindavan. Or if you go Kesi Ghat, very carefully, don't go the temple of Govinda Dev. Or if you go the temple of Govinda Dev, don't take darshan and Govinda Dev is very cunning person. Very dangerous. देखिले नयन हेरे केह नहीं घरे फिरे. If you take darshan to Govinda, then you cannot return back your home. You will be captivated your heart. Understand? So देखिले नयन हेरे केह नहीं घरे फिरे गृहीरो संसारी जुगो हाय सर्वनाश. So Govinda darshan, how is it be powerful? Understand? If you do eyes contract with Govinda Dev, then finish. You have taken darshan to Govinda or not? Where?
No, I did not go Jaipur. No, Jaipur.
Jaipur, Vrindavan. Their Pratibhu Vigraha is there also. Origin Govinda Dev now in Jaipur, this is true. But his manifestation form, that is called Pratibhu Vigraha, in Vrindavan. Govinda temple is there. And that's a very beautiful attraction. So why I am saying these things? If you take darshan to Govinda, then your life will be successful also. Understand? So, just I told you, okay, your eyes want to take darshan to object of the senses, Rup darshan. But which form do you take darshan? Govinda. This is the verse. So, abhyas and vairagya. Vairagya means renounces. Detached from these things. But again obvious, because all our senses automatically going to the object of the senses. Rup, ras, sabda, gandha, sparsha. This is the object of the senses. Rup, ras, sabda, gandha and sparsh, touch. This is the nature. But we practice devotional service, chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And step by step we are going. Don't worry. Krishna will be arrange everything for you. Understand? Control your mind. Good Premanandi. So they offer or not? Hey? 9:30. What ho gaya? Take Mahaprasad ki jai. Then again we start here. Kirtan, what time?
You might say for 10:30.
Huh?
You might say for 10:30 would be good.
10:30. Okay.
I think there's still like maybe half an hour more for breakfast. Would you like me to ask?
Okay. Check. Yeah. Good enough. Mahaprasad, Harikatha. Then Harikatha, Mahaprasad.
If you feel in your daily life you can't do seva, then how do you to make sukha? Like, if you can't, your daily life is full of material activities and...
No, we have to make the balance also. Because conditioned soul, Baddha Jivas cannot do anything there. So we have to balance. You have need your spiritual life and material life. So you have to balance. And one day you will not give up everything. बहु जन्मे यदि रहे सुकृति विषय छड़िया होय से वैराग. बहु जन्म many lives, your sukriti mature and acclimated, then you will give up everything. Otherwise not. So slowly is going everything. Anyhow you have come in our Krishna consciousness. This is your great fortune. Everybody do not come. Anyhow you have come in, chanting holy names, doing bhajan and sadhana. You can compare your this life coming in Krishna consciousness or before coming Krishna consciousness, bhakti. Now develop or not? So slowly, this everything is going on good. Conditioned soul, they have no idea what is the meaning of spiritual life. They have no nothing. They have no any knowledge about spiritual life. Just they performing 4 things. eating, sleeping, defending, and meditating. People, the mundane people are doing this way. But you are chanting holy names, practicing devotional service. Also you are doing the four things also these. Everybody is doing, who is doing is not doing. Eating, sleeping, defending, because this is the nature of this. But anyhow, if you practice bhakti, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Okay, now take prasadam, chalo. Otherwise, program will be late. Okay.
You can take this there. The cable. Take that one. No, because this week is
Hare Krishna, Gurudev.
How is it? Good?
Very good. Yes.
What is it?
Argentina. No, Gary.
Oh, I gave you a name.
Yes, he wanted to convert up for and I think and he mentioned that he spoke to you when name was given because he gave I think name was Devi Dasi and he wants a male name and he wants to be Das.